Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My topic is that how to read and manipulate a PDF file in Python. We will make a video. First of all, we will read our PDF file. Our PDF file consists of 5 pages. File name is a basir.pdf, and here I gave a solution and stepwise. Step 1, that we will import PDF file from 5pdf2, which is the library. We will import 5pdf2 as PDF. Locate file is equal to open. You will see the location of PDF file, and from here we will copy the location and will paste here. This is the step 2, locate file, and this is the step 3, that we will read the access file which is using by pdf2's function, that is read file which is equal to pdf.pdf file reader, and then locate file. And step 4, we will check that how many pages are there in that PDF file which we are using as a PDF read file .num pages. First of all, we will num pages. Num means number of pages, which is equal to read file dot num pages. And now we will print if number of pages in PDF file this is the answer. There are 5 pages in our PDF file. Yes, there are 5 pages in our PDF file. Now we will move towards step 5. In step 5, we will assign a single page from that PDF file. For example, now we want to try. Now we will try that we want to read a page number 1 and from that PDF file. First of all, we will print page number 1, which is equal to read file dot get page 1. Then after text on page 1, which is equal to page number 1, that extract text. Then print text page 1. Now here it gives the error. Now we will look that from where this error comes. We are checking that error. Yes, that was the problem which I extract from my coding. Look at this. This is the page number 3 from that PDF file. Look at this. It's page number 3, and here is also page number 3 is shown. Now we will find the page number 4. We will read page number 4. Yes, this is page number 4, and we will check it from PDF file as well. Yes, this is page number 4. Thank you, sir.